Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a hot minute, so I'm here to just give you a simple little life update, hopefully with minimal edits, so I can get this up and out to you guys so you can say hi and I don't know, so we can talk again. I have some more videos that are still done from when I was, well, are still in the editing process from when I was pregnant, and it is now 2 months after postpartum. And so I have been quite busy. Let's see, how do I explain all this? Okay, so shortly before my delivery, my church got a new pastor. We got a whole bunch of new things. I became the worship leader. So I have a worship practice now. I have a worship team. On Sundays, we have to get there pretty early. And then there's also like this marriage class after church now for a couple weeks. So I'm kind of at the church from like, if I can get there at 8:30, which is ideal, till about 2 something. So I'm there quite a while on Sundays now. And there's like a little lunch break in the middle there. And I also have my young son, so I have to feed him in the midst of all that. And then I also got a virtual job, which is so exciting because I can tell you guys a little bit more about kind of who I am, because on here I kind of just look like a girly person that likes makeup and skincare. Not quite as girly. I mean, you can tell by the fact my hair is crazy right now. I haven't done it yet. You can tell by some of the things I do that I'm not quite as girly as most makeup YouTubers. But makeup is only a fraction of who I am. And so what's cool is I was just accepted to get this job I do like their descriptions for products and help get their products up on their website. And then I also get to make reviews of their products in their store. And some of the reviews I've been creating right now are knife reviews. And because people on here don't necessarily know me, that probably sounds truly insane, but I love like outdoor knives, hunting knives, stuff like that. That's something that I've just been into because I am actually an outdoorsy girl, even though that probably doesn't come across in my channel yet. But anyways, so I have a new job that's taken up a lot of my time. Well, it's taken up the time that I have now that I also have a newborn. So getting YouTube stuff has been a challenge. I'm trying to balance and put it into my schedule. I should grab my book and show you guys like just a clip of all the stuff I'm doing and how busy I am now that I'm a mom, because it's not even that I'm busy in the world. It's just that I have a lot to do as a mom as well, and I have a new job. So it's been a little bit crazy, so I apologize for the delay. But I feel like now I've got a groove going, I have a schedule going, and I'm going to be able to implement my YouTube videos and my makeup stuff back into that schedule. So, anyways, y'all probably want to meet my baby, so I'll just bring him up. We'll close this video, and I will see you guys shortly, hopefully with another video. And I thank you for your patience in my delay in getting a video out to you guys. I hope you're all awesome. Please leave me a comment below of what you've been doing for the last 2 months. I would love to respond and talk to you. Let's meet my baby boy. So this is Carter Bryan. This is our little boy who is 2 months old. He was 2 months old on Sunday. You want to say hi, buddy? Can you say hi? Hey, Carter. Check out his wicked hair mohawk. It's really thin, right? Right on top. It's only thick in like 2 spots. Carter, can you say hi, buddy? Say hi to the YouTube world. We have to go eat now. He's so sweet. He likes to even try to stand up on his own now. He's obviously not standing, but you gonna do it, buddy? You gonna stand? There you go. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Are you ready to go get some nummies? Yeah? And read a book, maybe? What do you think? What's pretty amazing is that I didn't even know I wanted to be a mom, and I was really scared to be a mom. And it was amazing because when I had him, it was truly life-changing, like people say, like you witness a miracle. And I went from being scared to be a mom, didn't even know if I wanted to be a mom, to holding this precious baby, and I was in love, like in a heartbeat, and I was like, I will be your mama forever. And it was just like this overwhelming miracle. Like, I can't even explain it, that having a baby is truly a gift. And even though the process of having a baby wasn't necessarily a gift, the experiencing, seeing life and this baby who grew inside me come into the rest of the world with us is phenomenal. And I'm not really a person that enjoys people's birth stories, so if you guys want that, let me know. But I was a person that was truly petrified of birth, so I didn't go searching for birth stories because they just made it worse. But long story short, I had a C-section for this beautiful little guy, and I'm going to go feed him now. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can come back and hang out with me. And I hope to be with you guys. I want to be back to once a week. That's my goal, but grace. Give me a little grace. I'm trying. So make sure to like and subscribe. Come back and hang out with me. I love you guys so much. Bye. You say bye, Carter? Say bye. Bye, buddy. This is your first video. What do you think, buddy? I love you guys.